Imagine a city without sunlight. A city where police were afraid to enter. Where 50,000 people lived packed into a single city block, stacked on top of each other like rats in a cage. No taxes, no health inspectors, no laws. This was the Kowloon Walled City, the most densely populated place that has ever existed in human history. To understand how crowded it was, imagine this. If New York City was as dense as Kowloon, the entire population of the world could fit inside Texas. Inside, it was a labyrinth. 300 tall buildings were smashed together so tightly that they became one single organism. Streets were just narrow corridors, dripping with water from leaking pipes above. Sunlight could not reach the bottom floors. They had to keep fluorescent lights on 24 hours a day. Because the government had no power here, the Triads took over. For decades, the city was ruled by Chinese organized crime. Opium dens, gambling parlors, and brothels operated openly next to kindergartens. But here is the strange part. It wasn't just a criminal den. It was a home. Because there were no regulations. Rent was cheap. Doctors and dentists who couldn't get a license in Hong Kong set up illegal clinics here. You could get a tooth pulled for a few dollars. If you didn't mind the dirty tools, noodle factories operated in hallways. Children did homework on rooftops, the only place they could see the sky. It was a functioning anarchy, a cyberpunk reality. But in 1993, the British and Chinese governments finally decided the anomaly had to go. Residents were evicted. The wrecking balls came. It took a year to tear it down. The city of darkness was pulverized into dust. Today, a peaceful park stands where the fortress used to be. But if you close your eyes, you can almost smell the opium smoke and hear the dripping water of the lost city. Was it a slum? Or was it the ultimate example of human survival? This is The Curious Past, and I'll see you in the next mystery.